How to hyperlink in LinkedIn post. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and then open LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Start a Post, add what you want to add, then tag the account. Suppose I am adding YouTube. After that, simply click on youtube.com. Press on enter and hyperlink will be added simply of YouTube. As you can see, YouTube hyperlink has been added. Simply click on post and you're good to go. That's how to hyperlink in LinkedIn post. Thank you for joining me today. This video helps you out. Please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.